Google launched Project Genie that lets you explore and create your own world. They call this promptable world events, where you mention the environment, the world you want to build, the character that you want to create, and any further refinement which is also possible with Nano Banana Pro. And that's it. You enter the world you just created. DeepMind mentioned this as being the stepping stone path to AGI, and they are onto something long-term here. DeepMind is the same company responsible for the deep reinforcement learning paper called DQN. This was the first paper to show stable deep learning training in reinforcement learning algorithms. To play Atari games where the input was raw pixel and the output was the next action. For the first time, it was able to go superhuman level on multiple games without much help. And this is not the first time an open world is created for reinforcement learning training. OpenAI Gym in 2016, when they were actually open, launched and packaged a lot of different gaming environments into a standardized API that became the de facto standard for RL research. This made it super easy to benchmark and compare algorithms on real-world tasks and scenarios. In my opinion, the one thing that makes this environment really superior is the high resolution it offers. We are talking about a real-time customizable world where you see in 24 FPS at 720p resolution. And also visiting the same place again generates the same visuals, making future AGI training more consistent and stable. This is because the model is auto-regressive in nature and creates the output frame by frame based on the world description and user actions. So the possibilities are huge, such as allowing students to explore historical places like Rome. These simulated environments can also be used to train autonomous vehicles in realistic scenarios, for which Tesla and Waymo spent years collecting real-world data. And of course, for AGI and robots, Google already has an agent called Seema capable of carrying out tasks in this virtual environment. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.